How to register for TOEFL and IELTS, step-by-step guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the registration process for two of the most popular English proficiency exams, the TOEFL and the IELTS. Whether you're looking to study, work, or migrate, understanding this procedure is vital. Let's get started. Before you jump into the registration process, it's crucial to identify your specific needs. Are you applying for studies, work, or immigration? Does your chosen institution or organization prefer TOEFL or IELTS? Remember, while both tests are globally recognized, some institutions might have a preference. Always double-check before making a decision. Both TOEFL and IELTS offer different versions of their tests. TOEFL IBT, Internet-based test. This is the most popular version, taken online. IELTS Academic, for those seeking higher education. IELTS General Training, for those migrating or applying for non-academic training. Choose the one that aligns with your objectives. Registering for TOEFL is straightforward. 1. Visit the official ETS TOEFL website. 2. Create an ETS account if you haven't already. 3. Search for available test dates and centers near you. 4. Select a date and center. 5. Complete the payment, usually via credit card, to finalize the registration. 6. Print out the confirmation email you receive. This will have essential details like your test center and timings. For IELTS, the process is similar but goes through the British Council or IDP. 1. Visit the official IELTS website. 2. Determine if you'll register through the British Council or IDP. 3. Check available test dates and centers. 4. Complete the online application form. 5. Pay the test fee. Various payment methods are usually available, including bank transfers or credit cards. 6. Once registered, you'll get a confirmation of your test date, time, and venue. With registration done, focus on your test day preparations. 1. Arrive early. It's advisable to be at your test center at least 30 minutes before the scheduled time. 2. Bring identification. Typically, your valid passport or national ID card is required. 3. Stationery. Some centers might require you to bring pens, pencils, and erasers. Always read the instructions carefully. Remember, both exams are stringent about cheating. Ensure you carry only what's required into the exam room. That's it for today's guide on registering for TOEFL and IELTS. We hope this clears up any uncertainties you had. Always remember to keep an eye on the deadlines and prepare thoroughly for the big day. Good luck, and happy learning!